Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Class 7. I hope that you are doing well at your places. Today is 28th of August 2025 and today is Thursday. And we are progressing day by day with the new concepts, with the new written word, with the new components of grammar also. So it is very important, whenever we discuss a language that includes grammar as well. But for learning grammar and for, as we did yesterday, we did present continuous tense, it is very important to know that which form of verb is exactly to be used with that particular tense. Now, who will tell me that which form of verb did we use yesterday with present continuous tense? Yes, first form of verb. First form of verb and ing. ing always shows that the word is in continuation. I am speaking. बोल ही रही हूँ मैं. I am writing. I am teaching. I am not sleeping. Are you listening? See, everything is continuous. रही है, रही है, रही है. Right? So this is very important that you know the exact form of verb which is to be used with particular tense, plus you know the helping verb, plus you know if something is to be added in it or not. Today what we are going to discuss and write also is the concept of forms of verb. We did it in the class as well, so we'll do some more of them. इनको याद रखना बहुत जरूरी है because there are no pet rules for them. कुछ regular verbs होते हैं, some are irregular verbs. In regular verbs you just add ed like play, played, played, rule, ruled and ruled. But in irregular verbs it becomes difficult quite often to understand that how have to change the word. For example, go, went, gone. See, the whole word gets changed. The word is changed. Go, went, gone. So it becomes irregular. They do not follow any certain rule, and there is no hard and fast rule for it. The only thing is that you have to learn them. You have to keep them here, store them in your memory. Because if you know them, if you have learned them properly, if you have learned the spellings as well, only then you will be able to use them properly. We have three forms of words. First, and, second, and third. First is often present. Second is very good. And third is for participle. You cannot say कि जी past participle में लगनी है, कि future में लगनी है, या present में लगनी है. But the third form is used for participles. We learn it with best of time. अब you see in the present tenses. Present, simple present tense, present continuous tense, present. Similarly, when you are using active and passive voices, you just need your present form of verb. But for past tense, था हो गया, या किया हो गया, हमने इंग्लिश पढ़ी. It is past ना, पढ़ी, कल पढ़ी, परसों पढ़ी, पढ़ी, like past. So use past form of verb. And participle is often used with third when you are going to use the third form of verb, and you are using has, have, and had. Has, have और had के लिए तो आप you cannot choose any other form of verb with has, have, had. When you say I have done my work, that is the third form, the participle. Done. You cannot say I have do my work or I have did my work. No. Samina has gone to Mari. You cannot say say Samina has go to Mari, Samina has went to Mari. No. Has, have, had always follow, always keep third form of verb with it. And it does not change at all, whether it's negative tense, whether it's interrogative tense. We have not done our work. Not we आगे तो done ने done ही रहना है, third form ही रहेगी when you are dealing with has, have and have. Okay? Question है तो has ने have ने पहले आ जाना है, third form of verb ही रहेगी when you are dealing with has and have. So these are the rules which we cannot change. Present में we use first form of verb with s and es also, but when we are making some negative sentence or interrogative, we just skip that, s and es. We miss it and we add do and does. Similarly, when we are working with past form of verb, we change it into first form when we are writing did in the sentence. But here we do not change the form of verb. हम कभी ये नहीं कहेंगे Did you went to Lahore? ये नहीं कहना. Did you go to Lahore? जब भी जुमले में did आप ऐड करते हैं ना बेटे, तो वो फर्स्ट फॉर्म, वो did बताता है कि मेरे साथ फर्स्ट फॉर्म ही चल सकती है, मैं सेकंड फॉर्म के साथ काम नहीं करूँगा. ओके? एंड व्हेन यू राइट does in the sentence, does बताएगा कि मेरे साथ SES में मत लगाना मेरे वर्ड के साथ, वो नाराज हो जाएंगे. So see, these things are very little facts, but they are to be kept in mind and they have to be practiced on a daily basis. Only then you can learn the tenses. Now, coming back to the main concept, the main topic of today's lesson, forms of verb. Please prepare your notebook with today's date and day, and let me prepare the board as well. Okay, there we are. I have written a few words on the board and we will be changing it into past and participle. Okay? Shake. Shake. क्या मतलब है? What am I doing? हिलाना, of course. Shake is the past form is, can anyone guess? Inaya? No, not shake. It's shook. And third form or participle is shaken. Like see, we have done take, took, taken, shake, shook, shaken, right? Sing. What do we mean by sing? Sing. डूब जाना, शाबाश, would. Sing. Sang. And sunk. Steal. S-T-E-A-L. चोरी करना. Good. Steal. Stole and stolen. Think. Think. Wing. Shabash. Thought and thought. Right. Subhan, right. Wrote and written. डबल टी यहाँ आता है भाई, राइटिंग में कोई डबल टी ना लिखे प्लीज. आई एम प्रोनाउंसिएटिंग इट रिटन. जब आप डबल टी लगाएंगे राइटिंग में ना, तो मैं पढ़ूंगी रिटिंग. सो टेल मी व्हाट इज द करेक्ट वर्ड, राइटिंग और रिटिंग? So writing is the correct word. Do not put double T in it. It's always single. In writing, but always double. In written, see the sound. Written, writing. Written कर रही हूँ, T पे जोर आ रहा है. You're using two T's together. Writing, writing. T पे कोई stress नहीं जा रहा. Write single T with it, please. Become. Became and become. Come के come होते हैं ना. Become, became, become. Blow, blow. Blew, blown. blow the balloon. I blew the balloon. The balloon was blown by me. Okay. Bring, bring. Brought and brought. Good. So we'll be writing more. Okay. Shake, shook, shaken. Sink, sank, sunk. Steal, stole, stolen. Think, thought, thought. Write, wrote, written. Become, became, become. Blow, blew, blown. Bring, brought, brought. Write it down. Then we'll move on. Let me fix the camera also for you. Right? So you missed these three. Next. So next we have freeze. Freeze and froze and frozen. Have you seen the movie Frozen? Girl's favorite, I guess, है ना? Elsa and Anna. Okay, grind. Do you know the meaning of grind? Have you seen your mother grinding something? Yes, grinding different spices in that grinder, है ना? पीसना. So grind, ground, and ground. Now see, there is difference between this ground and this ground. है ना? Speak, very easy. Yes, speak. Afnan, spoke, right. And spoken. Shrink, shrink. हम कहते हैं ना, अम्मी कहती है मेरा दुपट्टा shrink हो गया. What do you mean by that? Contract. It has reduced its size. Shrink हो गया, सुकड़ गया. Okay, shrink. Then shrank. Shrunk. Shrink, shrank, shrunk. We have a believe. Now this is very easy and it's a regular word. Believe. Believe. Believe and believed. Spring. एक तो spring होता है ना. Whatever you see, it's a piece of maybe steel or iron. It is used to attach things together. वो तो spring हो गया. This spring means to spring something. I'm springing my marker. Oh, गिर गया. Okay, spring का मतलब उछालना. वैसे इसको हम ज़्यादातर पानी के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Okay, water, springs of water. Spring, sprang and sprung. Sprung, R is there. Flee, flee means to run away. भाग जाना. Flee, fled and fled. Okay, so we have done 15 words altogether. Let's read them again. Number 9, freeze, grind, freeze, froze, frozen. Grind, ground, ground. Speak, spoke, spoken. Shrink, shrank, shrunk. Believe, believed, believed. Spring, sprang, sprung. Flee, fled, fled. Please note down correct spellings. Next, we are going to discuss adverbs. First of all, tell me what do you mean by a verb? What is a verb? Yes, verb is action. Action words that shows that what is being happening or who is doing what. For example, I am speaking. So speaking is a verb. Okay, I am writing. So writing is a verb. Come. See, as we had read about adjectives, that adjectives describe the noun. Similarly, adverbs describe a verb. कैसे हुआ और कहाँ हुआ और कब हुआ? That those all words which we use to tell that how the action has happened, when has it happened, and where has it happened. It falls under the heading of adverb. So tell me, if I am, let's say I have a verb write. How many verbs can you use for writing? Write is a verb. No, I'm sorry. Write is a verb. How many adverbs can you use for to explain a piece of writing? Writing neatly, good, poorly, badly, quickly, slowly. Okay? Beautifully also. So see how many words can describe one verb right. And you can choose accordingly that which adverb is most suitable for your writing, for my writing, for your brother's writing, for your sister's writing, and I can use any adverb from it for your writing too. Okay? For any other. Walk. Walk is a verb. So how? Walk slowly. Walk fast. Walk gracefully. Very good, Tasim. Walk. Any other? Slowly, fast, gracefully. Walk. Boys and girls. Walk beside. When I say walk beside me, what do you mean by that? मेरे साथ में चलो. Now these are the adverbs which you can use to walk. Okay? We can continue with it further. For example, if I say that too many people drop litter throughout the way. Dropped. What is dropped in this sentence? Is a verb, of course. Read this word. Thoughtlessly. Thoughtlessly means thoughtlessly. बिना सोचे समझे ना. So they have dropped the litter, but how have they dropped it? Thoughtlessly. कोई काम कैसे किया गया है वो एडवर्ब आपको बताता है. मैं कैसे बोल रही हूँ? I am speaking loudly. ये loudly इसी एडवर्ब जिसने बताया कि मैं ऊंचा बोल रही हूँ. ठीक है। लोग कूड़ा कैसे फैला रहे हैं? थॉटलेसली, बगैर सोचे समझे। तो dropped is the verb and thoughtlessly is the adverb. Very good. It's the adverb. When we say that school opens early in the morning, our school opens early in the morning. What is the word here? What is the word? Opens is the word. Good. And when does the school open? It opens early in the morning. So that is the adverb. कब खुल रहा है स्कूल? अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग ही खुल जाता है भाई. So that is adverb. Okay. So boys and girls will be doing exercise related to adverbs and adverbial phrases, similar as we had done in our previous lessons for adjectives and adjectival phrases. But for now, you have to complete your work of forms of verb. And yes, please do not forget to complete your previous work also. We are doing it from 11th of August. Some work we did on Zoom lessons, Zoom classes, and then I shared the videos on I share video on a daily basis. So you have to complete your written work. जब आप मंडे को इंशाल्लाह फिजिकली आएंगे तो काम हुआ हो. I don't want to waste more time or any of my time in making you sit and complete the previous work. Okay? Thank you. Allah Hafiz, and I'll see you tomorrow again.